Guys, I just got picked up by a tornado with in the TIV2. Yeah, is that another storm chaser? It is. And I see a guy standing. The boy! The boy! Oh no! Oh no! The boy! Deploy now! The tornado is coming! The boy, we don't have spikes! We're inside the tornado? Oh my god, my first intercept. My first actual intercept. Wow. Undeploy. I was at spawn until... That's how fast the wind speeds are. That's pretty easy. I could survive that. Is that an EF0 wedge? Is that a rope? An EF0 wedge? Is that an EF0 wedge right there? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. My short case is TIV2 short. The EF0 is coming here. What is picked up by TIV2? That would aid TIV1 as a faster deployment. TIV! That's a small ass tornado! Respawn with the diamond. That's so close. Oh my god. TIV? Yeah, my favorite, the TIV. What the heck? Got it. Why did it fall down like that? It spawned and fell down. Is that the one from the Twisters movie? Look at it. It's from Twisters. Goodbye, Twisters Storm Chaser. TIV. TIV. I can't move. Why can I not move? These guys are... Oh, yeah. I'm moving. I'm already moving. Oh, no! Oh, no! Why is TIV1? TIV1! Go. I can do it. You can do it. Yes! Yes, TIV1. TIV. Tornado. Is that the same EF0? There's a turn. There's a turn. I barely missed that turn. The TIV1 has... You want me to guys pick up the TIV? Yeah, actually it's yellow. Why did I say it like that? The white TIV2, the ordinary. Why is it moving? Where are you going? TIV1. Okay. So now an old hitter. Modern days are pretty old. I swear I could get picked up by this instantly. Why didn't Sean Casey like change the design of the TIV1 into like have like some claws? Like why did he not do that? I know this is straight up spawn. This is straight. You know what? We're gonna end this because I don't have start for the next video. So goodbye.